Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Usually I only make one video per day, but however, today we have another specials going on for the drone. What you're looking at is the DJI Mini combo. I think this one usually runs about $499, but today you can get it for $359. Okay, so this one is a combo one, so it does come with the bag and the three batteries, the charger, the controller, the propeller, and the drone itself. Okay, so this one, it does. This is not the newest version of the DJI, because there is the DJI 2 Mini, which I do have and I do like. I did own one of this as well. Uh, I owned it for a while and then I sold it and I bought the latest one. But if you're in the market for a drone and for one something pretty cheap and that comes with everything, I think this is pretty affordable. Okay, and it does record in 2.7K. Um, let's see what else. It's pretty light, 0.55 pounds. And what does it come with? So what's included? It I already mentioned the remote controller. Uh, the three batteries, the three propellers. The difference with the newer one, the controller is a lot bigger. This one is a lot smaller, and I think a little bit more upgrades on the couple of features. But other than that, it's I think about the same size. Okay, and so right now I'll list everything in the descriptions. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But other than that, take care and enjoy the saving.